This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Paul Ford, Realtors property video is presented by Clay Mittman. Attractive well-maintained 3-bedroom colonial in the Nazareth School district and located in Stockertown. This home will have everything you are looking for: stunning hardwood floors, an open concept floor plan, large living and dining room, first floor office with an adjacent brand new full bath. The 3-season room overlooks the fenced yard. The second floor offers 3 bedrooms and 1 full bath. Master bedroom has a large walk-in closet. Central AC. 2-car garage. The home also offers a first floor office, study, a recreation area that was previously used for an in-home office off the garage with a separate entrance. Adjacent to the Stockertown walking and biking trail system, close to the playground, all appliances remain. For more information